Are you feeling the scorching heat this summer? Trying by all means to keep your body cool and comfortable but still feeling even hotter. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 4 tips and tricks for staying cool and comfortable during these hot days of pregnancy. The fourth tip is going to be the biggest one. 1. Drink plenty of water. This might sound like the obvious thing to do, but dehydration is a serious matter as it can accentuate the sensation of fatigue and even cause the body to go into shock. 2. Opt for comfortable clothes. Get yourself some nice flowing dresses, cotton shirts, or shorts. These allow you to move around easily as well as let your skin breathe properly. 3. Take that afternoon nap. Once the afternoon arrives, catch up on your sleep and let all activities be. End it with your favorite juice once you wake up. 4. Keep your feet and spirit high. Keep your legs elevated on a pillow or a platform whenever you rest. This will help your swelling subside. Place a cold towel on them for better results. By the way, if you want to have a cool summer, follow these tips, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.